Welcome, children. In this class, we will begin a new lesson, Silly Billy. It is an interesting story of a huge hippopotamus who lived near by a river. He was a friendly hippo, but something happened with him which made his life dull. What happened to him and how did he get over all these things? We will read in this story. Silly Billy was a huge hippopotamus who lived by a river. Why was he called Silly Billy? Because he ate anything and everything. His teeth were simply huge, and with those teeth, he munched on whatever he could find. Here, Silly Billy, he was a huge hippopotamus and he lived by a river, means near a river. His name was Silly Billy, and it's a very different name. And how did it become? And why was he called Silly Billy? Just because he ate anything and everything, means whatever he sees, he started eating. And his teeth were simply huge, means very big, and he used them for munching on whatever he could find. It means whatever things he saw, he started munching them, and his teeth were very sharp. He started by eating smaller things like bushes and benches, stones and shoes. But then he went on to gobble up trees and telephone poles, rocks and rafts. The more he ate, the bigger he became, so that soon he was the biggest hippo anyone had ever seen. When Billy was smaller and ate only small things, people were not afraid of him. Billy had never harmed any of them, but as he began to eat larger things, they felt afraid. What if one day Billy tried to eat them as well? They tried to chase him away, but Billy did not want to go. He liked living with the other animals near the people. Earlier, he started eating small things like bushes, benches, stones, shoes. It means very small things. But later, he started to eat and gobble up trees. Means he. Have you ever heard that anybody or any animal has eaten any type of telephone poles, rocks, rafts? Billy did it. Rafts means rough boats made by tying up flat pieces of wood together. Billy started eating more things, or whatever he saw, he started eating it. As he ate more, he became the biggest hippo in that area, and none of anybody had seen like him. And when he was little one or smaller, he ate little things or small things, and that time people were not afraid of him, and he did not harm any of them. But as he grew, he started eating larger things. As result, people started feeling afraid of him. And one day, you know what did he do? That he tried to eat them also. Then people also tried to chase him away. It means they wanted him to go from that. Actually, he wanted to live with other animals nearby river. And people came to see him standing away and pointing and talking what was to be done. The more visitors he had, the happier Billy felt. He was a friendly hippo and he really enjoyed all that attention. In fact, sometimes he would act like that he was going to eat something really enormous, like a car or a bridge, so that people gasped and shouted. And earlier, people were not afraid of him just because he did not want to harm them, but he pretended to eat something big, enormous. So, as he started eating, afraid of him. Actually, he was a friendly hippo and he wanted that everybody will come and see him, and all attention of people would always be given to him. So he did it like this. Sometimes he pretended that he would eat something really different or big that nobody could expect from him. It means sometimes he tried to eat, not actually, he pretended that he would eat very big thing like a car or a bridge. Just imagine that nobody can do it. And the people came in groups to see him. They shouted, they ran, and once again they came to see him in bigger groups, and he enjoyed it. Here, gasp means drew in their breaths suddenly and with a sound to express surprise and shock. And when did they become surprised? When he tried to eat a car or a bridge that was unexpected, and it was really. But one day, Billy was unlucky. A small wooden box came floating down the river. For Billy, who often chewed rocks and stones, it should have been as easy to eat as a piece of toffee. But the box was full of nails and screws. They hurt Billy's teeth so badly that he had a terrible toothache. The rest of the day, he could not eat anything else. The next day, something even worse happened. All his teeth fell off. Here, when Billy enjoyed everyone's attention, he was very happy. But one day, something happened. And what happened to him? That a wooden box came floating down the river. And you know that Billy loved eating even anything. So he thought that it was just a wooden box. And it was very easy for him to eat, just as a piece of toffee. But the box was full of nails and screws. Screws, small nail like things made of metal and used to fix one thing to another. Normally, you have seen in your home on the walls. So he tried to eat them, but they hurt his teeth so badly, and he had a terrible toothache. Toothache means pain in teeth, and for that whole day he did not eat, and next day his all teeth fell off. It was the worst thing happened to him, and he became toothless.